Hello everyone, this is Rose from Henan Rodent Trading Company. It's my glad to introduce ourselves. Our company was founded in 1958 and have more than 62 years produce experience in home furniture, such as mounted dining chair, mounted bar stool, side table, plastic chair, and household products. Now I will show you one of our main products, mounted bar stool. This one. Firstly, I will show you our material. It's a steel plate. You can have a look. It's about 1 millimeter thick. It's not the same as 0.8 millimeter product on the market. Also different from some product with iron material. We only use this one, and so you don't be worried about the quality. And this is wood coating on the surface. This material is iron, and it also have extra structure under the chair. This one you can have a look. And with these two materials, it made the chair more stronger and durable. So you should believe that the product you get from us always excellent quality. What's important is it's very comfortable when we sit on a chair, because it has 4 foot support structure under the chair. The height of foot support we have tested many times. It can meet our clients with different height and weight. It also have a rubber pad under the foot. You can look, this is rubber pad. With this pad, it can protect your floor very well because it's no sound and rubber when you're moving the chair. And also, this chair have different sizes, such as this one higher, middle, and lower, and also have different color for your choice. This is our regular color. You can choose from them, and we also can do it for your required. So you should tell us the car number first. And this chair have different usage, such as this one with the back, and this one no back. And these back are very easy to install. You can put it on or it. Once you remove it, it's very easy to stickable, like this. So you can save a lot of space. If you want to get this chair, please feel free to contact us, because we are factory, we are professional. Okay. We have learned from our product today, and it's very thanks for your watching. I will see you next time. Don't forget to follow us, and welcome to join our next live show on Alibaba. I will take you to our factory. You can see our production line in action. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.